We've got something really special in store today. Today I'm going to share the secrets to get perfectly seared, buttery and tender scallops, and we're going to serve them in a lovely creamy garlic sauce. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. Now, I absolutely love scallops. I love that buttery, tender flavour and how quick they are to cook. And also, they feel like quite a special meal, so a great dinner or a lovely appetiser. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with the scallops. So I've got about 400 grams, which is about 14 ounces of extra large king scallops here. Now, I don't recommend buying them from your supermarket because they always seem to be really tiny. So I'd absolutely recommend going for the fishmonger instead. The first tip is to make sure these scallops are nice and dry. So we want to take them out of the fridge about 15 minutes before we want to cook them and place them on a tray that's been lined with 2 layers of kitchen roll. Then we're going to pat the tops of the scallops with some more kitchen roll, remove that kitchen roll and place on a fresh piece. Pat that down again and leave for about 10 minutes so the kitchen roll can soak up any excess moisture. Now remove the kitchen roll from the scallops and we're going to season them with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now the next tip is to get the pan really hot, and then we want to add 1½ tablespoons of oil to the pan. Once that oil is shimmering hot, add the scallops to the pan. And then we're going to cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they turn a nice golden colour and then turn over. Once you've turned all the scallops over, we're going to add a tablespoon of unsalted butter to the pan and cook for a further 60 to 90 seconds, basting the scallops with the butter. Once those scallops are completely cooked through, turn the heat down to medium and remove the scallops from the pan and just place them on a warm plate for now. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes to the pan and give it a stir. And now we're going to deglaze the pan with 80 ml or 1/3 cup of white wine. So let that bubble for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring up any of those nice crispy bits in the pan with a whisk. Then add in 120 ml or 1/2 cup of double or heavy cream, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and a tablespoon of capers in brine that have been drained. Give it a stir together and heat through for a further minute. Then stir 4 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley into the sauce, and then we're going to add those scallops back into the pan. Then turn off the heat and we're ready to serve. I like to serve mine with some lemon wedges and a sprinkling of black pepper. I love to serve these pan-fried scallops for date night over some fresh pasta or with some crispy sauté potatoes, and they also work great as an appetizer too. Definitely something that's really special. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you next time.